Are you ready to make something super fun and extra special? Well, it's time to join me for another creative exercise with me, Sauerpuss, the Creative Cat. Hoo-hoo-hoo! Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Creativity Castle, where imagination grows and friends share wonderful ideas. My name is Sauerpuss, the Creative Cat. Today, I am excited to share a creative cut and paste birthday card activity. Are you ready to make something super fun and extra special? We are making a birthday card. We will be using this creativity kit and your imagination. Once you've printed out all of your activity sheets, all you need are some crayons or markers or coloring pencils and a pair of scissors to begin to create your very own card. With this activity, you get to color your own cake, cut out all the pieces and glue them together to build a big, bright birthday card. You can even add candles for the birthday number. How cool is that? Want purple frosting? Go for it! There's no wrong way to create. Just have fun and make it your way. This looks pretty good. With this activity kit, you have enough design elements to create both the outside and the inside of your birthday card. While you're cutting and gluing, you're also making your hand stronger and your brain even more creative. That's what I call crafty power. Hoo-hoo-hoo! Now that you've seen what I've created, it's your turn to ask your grown-up to grab this printable so you can start creating your very own birthday masterpiece today. Hoo-hoo-hoo! Be sure to check out the link below. I can't wait to see what you make, my creative friends. Stay crafty and keep smiling. And as always, remember to be creative. Hoo-hoo-hoo! Hoo-hoo-hoo!
I love to be creative. I love to draw and play. I love to paint. I love to sketch and color every day. I love to be creative. Imagine and pretend. When I play and draw with Sauerpuss and Friends.
Woohoo! That's me! Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you'll be ready for our next creative show.
Whoopee! Join us next time at Sauerpuss and Friends.
And remember to subscribe to our channel.
Remember to give us a thumbs up.
Be sure to check out our other videos on our Sauerpuss and Friends channel. We have all sorts of creative stories and activities for children of all ages. Happy birthday, Sophia! Ho ho ho!